Hi, Jeremy Telford here. On behalf of ExpertVillage, going to teach you how to make a sumo wrestler. This is actually the second part of it, so if you haven't seen the first part of it, I would suggest to start there. Once again, we're going to blow up another skin-colored balloon, so it's got about 3 inches in the end there. We're actually going to start with the arms this time, make 2 inches and a barrier. Or 1.5 inch, 2 inches, another 1.5, 2 inches, another barrier. We're going to circle a fold twist to make the head, and then another barrier after that. So there's 2 barriers right there. It just helps make sure that the balloon goes straight down from there. Now this, after about 2.5 inches, gets twisted into what you made last time, which are the legs. It goes back up, and we're going to make the other arm after we twist it into these barriers. Once again, go about 1.5 inches, make a barrier, and then make this side of the balloon that same size. What we need to do is he needs to be a little bit heavier set, so we need another flesh-colored balloon. We'll go ahead and add some to his biceps and to his stomach. So I just tied it on the elbow, go around a barrier, one down, create more of a stomach, and then back up the back. And then made the other arm. What we're going to do is we're going to break that off. Tie that. Make sure you always tie what you break off. And the other leg comes from this piece of balloon. Just tie that little piece off. You stick it right on there. And you have both the legs, the head, and the arm. We'll go ahead and teach you about the hair and his nice sumo diaper after this.